Hey, guys! It looks like the joke about a manhood size and car preferences can be not a joke anymore. Let's recall an old poll made in London in 2014. A survey found that 30% of sports car owners claim to have larger than average penis size. Their female partners estimated that only 12% did, and that 43% of these males were actually smaller than average. So, is there really a psychological link between fast cars and small penises? Is an expensive sports car a compensation for male inadequacy? In January 2023, Department of Experimental Psychology, University College London, published the results of experiment, Small Penises in Fast Cars, Evidence for a Psychological Link. They asked almost 200 men from 18 to 74 years old for a test. Participants were not told truly goals of the experiment. The only thing they were told was to study how people remember facts while shopping for different items. The participants should to remember these facts for a later memory test, which indeed was never done. Each man had 12 fact cards and 12 item cards. After a fact card, the participant should to tell his desire to buy item on following card. The core of experiment was the manipulation how man believed about their own penis size relative to others. 6 out of 12 facts were falsified to manipulate self-esteem. One of the facts was considered to make participants feel that they were relatively smaller or larger manhood than the norm. Participants were separated into two groups and were given two different sets of facts, low self-esteem group and high self-esteem group. Around 76.06% of people put some money aside each month for savings, versus 5.06% of people for high self-esteem group. On average, a person has 12 sexual partners in their lifetime, versus 2 partners for the second group. 93.37% of the people in UK say they have donated to charity in the past year, versus 15.37% of people for another group. How many people would say you are their close friend? The average person says that they have 8 people who would consider them as a close friend, versus 2 people. The world average body mass index is 20.11, versus 28.11. And the main manipulation point. The average erect penis size is 18.04 centimeters or 7.09 inches, versus 12.04 centimeters or 4.73 inches. Each fact was followed by a product. They had 6 luxury products: champagne, a 5-star hotel, a spa break, Rolex watch, designer sunglasses and a sports car, and 6 non-luxury products. We even can make a glance on exactly the same car pictures that we used during the experiment. Now we are ready for the results. Findings: males, and males over 30 in particular, rated sports cars as more desirable when they were made to feel that they had a small penis. Additional test was done without a sport car option. There was no evidence that self-esteem manipulations had any effect on ratings for non-car luxury products. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please hit like and subscribe and see you soon.